For many engineers who want to experience it through smartphones, they can download two applications. One, ATA key plugging through Sire, and two, ATA key plugging VX. This video for educational purposes. How do military institutions safeguard their critical zones from lethal drones? It's far from random. It's built on three essential foundations that cannot be compromised. Okay, one, the electronic battlefield. Advanced jumping systems sever the digital lifeline between the drone and its operator, turning it into nothing more than a lost, helpless piece of metal. Two, digital eyes in the skies, deploying compact, high-precision radars specifically engineered to detect even the smallest airborne threats. Three, night vision dominance, utilizing state-of-the-art optical and thermal systems that cut through darkness and challenging weather, granting crystal clear drone tracking around the clock. But even with all this cutting-edge tech at your disposal, if deployed in the wrong location, will it truly protect you? When you are sourcing a high-stakes site against drones, the first question shouldn't be which is CUAS system do we buy? The real question is where on earth do we put it? Site selection isn't just about statics. You could have the most expensive top tier system in the world, but if it's sitting in the wrong spot, it's basically a paperweight. And this is where modern analytical tools change the game for security and investigative teams. We're no longer guessing, we are mapping the sky, evaluating exactly what the system can see from any given point, and stress testing reality, running Monte Carlo simulation to virtually test hundreds of locations in seconds, killing blind spots, finding the holes in your defense before drones does, and optimizing the shield, picking the perfect spot to ensure early detection and the maximum interception. Investigators and protection details. This is a shift in mindset. It means that the site selection is now a core part of the security audit. It means your decisions are technically backed and fully documented. You finally understand why one location fails while another dominates. The bottom line, to protect the sky from laptop or a simple phone, making data driven decisions, not relying on gut feeling or guessing work. I think it's all about data. If you manipulate data, then the lie will tell itself.